This is brand new beach villa number 304 at Anantara Veli. The resort closed for 9 months and completely rebuilt itself. It actually has added new villas, including mine. And I love the way that it truly is private. They've got some clever things, like all the areas of sand are banked up at the edges, which gives a very nice clean look. Outside I've got seating and obviously the pool. What have I got here? Let's have a look. Oh, this is just a little play area. Perhaps if I had something to play with, I would put it there. Inside, I've got simplicity, nothing elaborate, but actually all very carefully thought out and colourful and comfortable. And a shopping bag. Either side of the bed I've got sockets and USBs. Coffee maker, lots of water. Big space for the suitcase. Ironing board and yoga mat, and this long, very sensible dressing table there with a good light above, and a beautiful bathroom. I like the blue towels, and the big mirrors and plenty of storage space around the basin. My butler who showed it to me was so proud of this new villa. It was almost as though he personally had built it. Oh, and very simple shower. You set the temperature and then you push buttons on and you push buttons off. Just what I like. And you can be in the tub and look from the tub. It truly is extra, extra private. So, a little crab welcome. And there I am. Welcome to Anantara Veli in the Maldives.